everyone, this is Diksha from Food Pleasure and Health, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy pizza toast. I love this recipe because it's easy and you can use a lot of ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry and fridge. So let's begin. So the recipe is super simple. It calls for bread and you can use whatever bread you have on hand. I'm using a sourdough bread from Icon Bread today, and this is just a garlic rosemary. And a couple other things you need is a tomato sauce. This is just a spicy tomato sauce. You can also use pesto if that's what you have on hand. And another thing is just cheese. I have shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use other kind if that's what you have. So to assemble a pizza toast, you're going to need a sliced bread or a toast. I prefer a toast that's a little bit thick so that the sauce can stay in place. And you will take a knife and just gently spread it. So make sure you cover all the edges. Alright, so where we have this one, I'm also going to do one with the pesto. Take a generous amount and cover it. Alright, looks pretty good. So then I'm going to sprinkle cheese on top. Like I said, if you have like chopped tomatoes, if you have onions, olives, maybe some leftover bacon from breakfast, if you have pepperoni, you can go ahead and add those as well. Today I'm just keeping things very simple. So, alright, one last thing, I'm going to just do some black pepper on top, and that's it. So now that our pizza toast is ready, we are going to pop it in the toaster oven for 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Alright, so our pizza toast has been in the oven for about 3 minutes. And the cheese is melted, looks really good. Looks ready, and it's ready to be enjoyed. If you have some microgreens, this is a good place to add on top. Or if you have fresh herbs from the garden, I have some fresh herbs, so I'm going to add a little bit on top. If you don't have it, you don't have to have it. This is also a good place to add crushed chili pepper if you want it a little spicy, or any other seasonings of your choice. Alright, so now our pizza toast is ready. I hope you will give this a try at home and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!